Are you planning to receive a tax refund this year? Before it gets spent, here's what you should do with it. Hi, I'm Marissa with DollarSprout. We make videos about making, saving, and managing money. And so if you want to learn more about personal finance, definitely scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss when we post a new video. Tax season is officially here, and while everyone needs to file a tax return, some people may end up owing additional money to the government, while others may receive a tax refund. Refunds will definitely vary, but in 2017, the average tax refund was around $2,700. And that's a lot of money. If you don't have a plan for that extra income, it may end up getting spent and leaving you wondering where it went. So today we're talking about the options for you when you receive a tax refund. First, figure out if you want to continue receiving such a large refund. Before you spend the refund that you currently have, take some time to plan out your tax withholdings for the current year. It's definitely a great idea to talk with your tax pro to see how much you should be withholding each paycheck to reflect your desired outcome for next tax season. Some people may view getting a refund as an interest-free loan to the government, which could be true because you could be doing other things with that extra money in your paycheck every single month. But others may view receiving a tax refund as a great forced savings plan. It's money that comes deducted out of each paycheck and adds up that you receive in a lump sum during tax time. But if that's the case, it's definitely important that you have a plan for what you'll do with that money when you receive it during tax time. The first thing you could do with your tax refund is to put it towards a financial goal. And this will definitely vary depending on what financial goal you are currently working on. If you are working on paying off debt, it may be a great idea to take that lump sum and apply it towards whatever debt you're working to pay off. Or maybe you are working on saving more for your emergency fund. You could be working on saving more for a down payment on a house, or you could be working on investing and wanting to add this to retirement. Receiving this extra lump sum as your tax refund could be a great help as you're working on that big financial goal. I remember when my husband and I filed our taxes the first year that we were married, and we ended up getting a huge tax refund. At the time, we were working on paying off over $80,000 of student loan debt, and so we knew that we should really be putting it towards our financial goal because that was going to be the best benefit for us. Your second option for spending your tax refund is to spend it on a need. Maybe your car is really old and needs to be replaced soon, or maybe you need new tires for your car, or your kids need new clothes. There are definitely some needs that you may have, and using the money from your tax refund could be a great way for you to get your needs met in this way. These could be needs that you wouldn't normally be putting money to every month with your paycheck, and receiving this extra lump sum could be a great help to accomplish those. Your third option is to spend your tax refund on a want, whether that's a new sectional for your living room or a new washer and dryer, or maybe even a vacation. Although this is the option that you definitely want to be careful with so you don't end up spending too much money. The fourth option for spending your tax refund is to do a combination of all three. I think that there's a lot of value in finding balance when it comes to personal finance, and personal finance is personal after all. So maybe when you receive your tax refund, you just decide to budget it out and decide that you want a portion to go towards a financial goal, some of it to go towards a need, and also give yourself a little bit of permission to spend with a little bit going towards a want. Although another great way to look at spending your tax refund is to spend it on what you'd spend if you had a larger take-home pay each month. Because receiving a tax refund means that you paid more to the government each paycheck instead of taking more home. Receiving a tax refund is great, but if you don't have a plan, it can easily get spent. So if you did receive a refund this year, adjust your tax withholding to reflect your desired outcome for next tax season. And then budget for your refund with your financial goals, needs, and wants in mind. If you're not yet subscribed to the DollarSprout YouTube channel, definitely scroll down and hit that subscribe button. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're wanting to learn more about budgeting, check out this video here, and I'll see you over there.